one of the things I have the pleasure of doing on a regular basis is responding through formal proposals, requests for proposals, a range of questions around Microsoft Fabric. And in this video, I'll take you through one of those now. Another common request we get in pretty much anything we do is centered around security. And understandably, we want to make sure your data is safe. So the common question is the data encrypted at rest and in transit? Very, very common questions. So yes is the answer. At rest, data is encrypted. It is encrypted using AES 256-bit encryption at the time of recording. And it uses Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2 on the back end for that with Microsoft Managed Keys. For data in transit, Microsoft Fabric uses TLS 1.2 as a minimum encryption standard, and where possible, it will negotiate up to TLS 1.3 where that is available. So certainly, as data is stored and data is transmitted, it is using the highest level security protocols available. I hope that was helpful to give you a taste of some of the questions certainly I receive. If you have a question that I haven't answered already, please leave me a comment below.